Okay, do a couple of fun things. I still have my same personality, even though I'm different. But yeah, so yeah. Unfortunately, and I hate that I gotta say unfortunately, but the joyfulness that I once felt, I don't feel it like I used to feel, you know. And I know it's so bittersweet, you guys. It's so bittersweet because I did have like a lot of people that I actually connected with on more than just reaction videos type of vibe. Tell me the kind of videos that y'all may like to see, if y'all like it, and see where this journey takes me, because that's what it is, a journey. So yeah, hopefully it's a awesome journey that's gonna happen. But yeah, this is gonna be basically a life update. Yeah, life update and my decision making. Yeah, so that's hey y'all, what's happening? What's good? So you guys, I wanted to come on this video and tell you guys like just a life update. So you guys, my baby is now 4 months, and y'all know that I already got 2 other kids. I have tried a couple of times to react to certain videos and stuff like that, and like with all my kids and with my schedule and stuff, and me trying to prioritize like what's more important, I have been feeling like I haven't been doing really good with doing reaction videos and editing them and recording them, and you know, and then sometimes I'll be tired. It's just a whole lot of excuses mainly, and the joyfulness that I once felt, I don't feel it like I used to feel, you know. And I know that I have grown so much also. I got 3 kids now. Like, whoa, when I first started, I think I only had, well, yeah, I already had my daughter. That's when I first started, when she was a little bitty baby. So now, from all of these years that have passed, I feel like my YouTube channel have grown, but have staggered and stopped. And, you know, I have so many delays on my channel and stuff like that. But I just really wanted to come on here, you guys, and just tell you guys, like, kind of unfortunately, for some people that want me to do reaction videos, but I do know that I did have like a lot of people that I actually connected with on more than just reaction videos type of vibe. But I do know that is how I got their attention, how I got y'all attention. But I just really feel like, unfortunately, and I hate that I gotta say unfortunately, but I am gonna make it more so about my family, you guys, because like that's what my life is. It's just all around my family, my kids, my husband, and life. Life things, you know. So I think that's just what I'm gonna be doing now on my channel. I'm sorry for the people that wanted me to just do YouTube reactions. There's so many cons with it, but as far as my audience, like, those is the pros, but behind the scenes is cons when it comes to reaction channels. And I'm pretty sure y'all heard about a lot of them that I'm not even going to get into, but I just feel like this is going to be my life channel now. So if y'all got any ideas or any questions or anything like that, let me know down below so I can answer them. I hope y'all support me still, or just look at my videos and just see if y'all like them or not, or tell me what I could like improve on, or tell me the kind of videos that y'all may like to see. I have started posting certain videos already. I do realize how much I am a rookie when it comes to like vlogs and stuff, but I'm gonna try the best that I could. I'm saying a lot. I just realized that, but yeah, I'm gonna say yeah a lot. Anyways, you guys, this is a nervous video for me to make because I know that I just be everywhere, because like I said, I have started and stopped and started and stopped and started and stopped because I didn't really want to just leave my YouTube channel. But this is where it have came down to. this is the decision that I made, I'm making, and I feel like this is the best decision for me. So hopefully it prosper, and hopefully everything turns out the way that I imagine and hoping and praying for. So yeah, you guys, I hope y'all up for this journey with me, and let's just see what it could be, and if I'm going to be content with it, and am I going to continue to do it. I am right now still a stay-at-home mom. Right now I didn't start back working yet because, like I said, I did just have my baby, and I'll exclusively breastfeed, and right now it'll be a little difficult for me to go back to work as far as right now. So I'm just like, the time that I do have, I'm just going to vlog and post videos about me and my life. Okay. It's so bittersweet, you guys. It's so bittersweet because just looking back on the memories of when I first started my channel, and how people message me and just tell me like how they used to watch my channel, and they wonder about how am I doing, and how my YouTube channel used to like make them feel, and how they used to go and watch my channels, and how they felt, and all this kind of extra stuff, and just, it's so inspiring, but yeah, I'm trying to figure it out, you guys. So hopefully that y'all there with me, and I do want to talk about some real stuff also, because life is life, but I do wanna do a couple of fun things. I still have my same personality, even though I'm different, but yeah. So yeah, you guys, I hope that y'all are here. I hope y'all gonna be here to see if y'all like it, and see where this journey takes me, because that's what it is, a journey. So yeah, hopefully it's a awesome journey that's gonna happen. But yeah, you guys, my baby is over there asleep, and my other two kids is in the room sleep. So yeah, like, there's so many things I could do. I feel that I could do. Anyways, y'all, let me know down below any ideas for you guys, how y'all feel about this, like any memories y'all have that y'all may want to share, any type of videos that y'all may want to see. I'm gonna try to be consistent, because like I said, this is something that I battled with back and forth, and I have decided this is what I want to do. So I hope y'all support me, and I hope that y'all don't unsubscribe when y'all could keep on seeing just me popping up with my life type of stuff. And not y'all favorite, y'all favorite people, y'all favorite artists, and all that kind of stuff. But anyways, you guys, maybe I can be y'all favorite mom on YouTube. I don't know. Anyways, you guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. I didn't say that, but I'm saying that now. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are already subscribed, let me know about any of them answers that I just asked you guys questions to. And yeah, you guys, I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Oh, yeah. So yeah, this is gonna be basically a life update. Yeah, life update and my decision making. Yeah, so that's what this video is going to be. But there's so many other videos that I want to do and have and talk about and put on, and vlogging and challenges and all that kind of stuff. I have talked to my husband about one of these challenges that I want to do with Who Knows the Kid Best. Give me a thumbs up if y'all would like to see that. We're going to do it with TJ, and then we're going to do it with Truly. So yeah, y'all, if y'all would like to see that, give me a thumbs up, and let me know any other ideas that y'all may want to see. Okay, no reactions. If a reaction, make sure it's a, I don't know. I said that I made my decision. I do got a couple of reactions that I haven't put out that I do want to put out, because it's in my memory, and these reactions actually helped me decide my decision also. So yeah, anyways, you guys, I'll talk to you guys later on the next video, and I hope y'all have an awesome holiday, night, morning, day, evening. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.